Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to know about some action verbs for beginners. So let's get started our class. Walking, walking. He is walking. Next one, smiling, smiling, smiling. The puppy is smiling. S, running, running, running. A is running. Jumping, jumping, jumping. They are jumping. They are jumping. Eating, eating, eating. Is eating. Is eating. Crying, crying. Crying, crying. Is crying. Is crying. S, laughing, laughing, laughing. He is laughing. He is laughing. Drinking, drinking, drinking. He is drinking. He is drinking. Watching, watching, watching. They are watching movie. They are watching movie. Reading, reading, reading. She is reading. She is reading. Writing, writing, writing. She is writing. She is writing. Okay friends, thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel and share it to your friends.